Today we'll be working on this beautiful mirror by Hobby India. To begin with, I'm using the artist's gesso to prime the surface. I'll be diluting it in some water because I want an extremely thin layer. This step is completely optional and you can start painting directly if you feel like. I like to use it because I think it makes the color look more vibrant and the color stands out more. The reason that I diluted the gesso in water was because I wanted these carved edges to be visible even after the gesso dries up. This will make the painting process much easier and faster. Once that's done, I'll be using the permanent yellow dip by Camlin, and in this I'll be mixing some pearl white, again by Camlin. This adds a very pretty shine to the color. After mixing both the colors well, I'm applying an even layer all over the base, but I'm just leaving out the edges because I want to use a different color there. Once that's dried, I'm taking the same permanent yellow dip and in that I'm mixing some light yellow and I'm just partially mixing both these colors. I'm then taking a damp sponge, dipping it into the color and then randomly placing it all over the base. Next, I'm taking the sparkling turquoise blue by Acrylic, taking a fine liner on an extremely thin brush and creating the outlines with it. As the base already has well demarked edges, it makes the entire painting process much easier and faster. Once that's done, I'm turning the mirror upside down and I'm placing the attachments which are used to hang the mirror. Whenever you place an order from Hobby Art, you'll get these attachments along with your order. And with that, we come to the end of this little DIY. Do let me know in the comments how you like the mirror.